Baby bus.
Assemble a little train. Wow, your train looks great. Let's set off. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the... We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. Good job. Let's continue on our way. Let's head for the next station. There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. Hold the button to speed up the train. Hold the button to speed up the train. Good job. Let's continue on our way. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train.